Hi everybody, so I know it's been a while since I posted my last video, but I just thought I'd give you an update on my apple cider, the 20 liter, or ended up being about 17.5 liters of apple cider using that recipe that's been making the rounds. So as you can see here, it's quite clear, a little bit cloudy, but mostly actually clear, especially if from some of the bigger bottles that I've used. The first glass I pour is usually quite clear, like a normal Hunter's, for example. There is some of the second glasses that can sometimes have a little bit more sediment in, which makes it a little bit more cloudy, but not I wouldn't say it's a lot of sediment. So yeah, it's actually quite nice. It's quite a light taste, and the alcohol worked out to be around about 4.5%. So it's actually quite nice. So definitely give this recipe a go if you can.